Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily withdraw funds from your Trading212 account. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're in Trading212, click here and go to tab corner and manage funds. Then you can withdraw funds. You just add here your password. And now I have viable funds like 11 euro because everything else I got invested, so I go like 5 euro. And you just like add it to in what card you want to send it to. I'm not going to send the money because that's like for withdrawal is also cost free. You don't have to pay anything, so it's good. And this is pretty much it. And this is how you do it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask them down below in comments. I'll be really happy to help you. But yeah, have a great day and goodbye.